here's how to present iPad screen on Google Meet. So let me talk about it, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it usually just goes like this, that you regularly join a meeting, either through your shared link or you create a new one, whatever, but you are inside of the Google Meet, right? So it gets the job done, whatever. But in order to present the screen, what you have to do is just to click on the share screen icon below. So there's this like rectangle next to the controls and buttons below with the like arrow pointing up. This is what you need to click on. It's going to ask you if you want to share your screen, so you have to confirm it. But then also you get to decide whether you also want to include the device's audio. So it's not like the microphone of your you speaking into the video, but it's like the internal sounds of the iPad, like for example notifications or some playback. If you just play some video in the gallery or whatever it might be, you can decide it like so. Just click on continue. The broadcast will begin, so you can confirm it once again, and then the screen will be shared with the other participants. So of course, in order to stop that, you can just disable it like so. In the top right corner, there is the button to stop it, and you don't present the screen anymore. So it's pretty simple. It works out fine, most likely. So let me know if it worked for you as well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.